And welcome back to KNC Taxidermy. Today we're going to be working on prepping our black coyote that we're going to be mounting, and today we're going to be working on the ears. I'm going to be making sure they're completely turned out. Then we're going to be bonding them, and it's all part of the process of getting this coyote mounted. Last time we worked on putting the head together, doing the jaw set and all that, and now we're working on making sure that the face is prepped for that head form and jaw set, and I'm going to right now I'm going to be making sure these ears are cleaned up and bonded.
As you can see, there are big things going on here at KNC Taxidermy, so make sure you subscribe so you can get notifications on everything that's going on here at KNC Taxidermy. We'll see you then.